All right, welcome to video 6 for Be Our Guest, Beauty and the Beast. This will be for the complete song, and this is the performance tempo. This is going to be what we call the normal pace and speed for playing the song. All right, so a few quick things. Now, this pace is going to be a lot faster than what we've done in all of the previous videos. All of the videos before this one, we did it really slow so that we can learn it. We could get the fingering. We could get all of those bad notes, playing the wrong notes, get that out of our system and really learn how to play the correct notes. Now, you should have a good idea as to the correct notes to play with the correct fingers. And now we're going to add the pace. We're going to speed the pace up. And what we want to do, we want to play at this pace 3 times before we start doing the showcase video, which is the final video. And all the showcase video is what you will actually play in front of people. Okay? So, this is your final practice. I'm going to do it 3 times. Well, no, you're going to probably do it more than 3 times, but you will have this video down and completed when you can play it 3 times with no mistakes. So however long that takes, that's how long it takes. Okay. So we want to play at this pace 3 times in a row with no mistakes before you're ready to start practicing for the showcase. Okay. And the showcase video is after this one. All right. So y'all ready? Okay. Here's number 1.
1, 2, set, go.
Right, here's number 2.
1, 2, set, go.
And finally, here's number 3.
1, 2, set, go.
All right, remember, before we move on to showcase practice, make sure you can play this correctly 3 times. All right, you got to play it correctly, mistake free, all 3 times. Let's just say you played it correctly 2 times, and then the third time you made a mistake. Well, what you have to do now is, after you made that mistake on the third time, you have to start all the way back over and start from playing it correctly the very first time. Because what we want to do, we want to play it correctly 3 times in a row. So however long that takes, that is up to you and how you practice, okay? But the best thing to do is to practice consistently so that you don't forget, and always make sure if you're making the same mistake consistently, then go back to the previous video where I play it slow and make sure make sure that your fingering is correct, okay? Because usually if you're playing it wrong, it's going to be due to using the incorrect fingers, okay? So we want to make sure you're using the correct fingering. All right. Now, once you accomplish this goal of playing it 3 times correct all 3 times, then you can start just working on the showcase video. And the showcase video is strictly the song, with no explanation, no teaching. It's just put that video on repeat and just play that song over and over again, possibly 10 times, to just get as comfortable as you can with it, to get as much of it in your fingers and in your brain and in your memory as possible. And you just want to play it so many times to where when you play it, you never mess it up, okay? And that takes time to learn how to play something where you never make a mistake playing it. So that takes a lot of time, and a lot of times doing it over and over again. So be patient with yourself and know that every time you play this, is going in that bank and you get closer and closer to perfection. Okay. So I just want to encourage you, once you've played it 3 times in a row, you can go ahead and start working on the showcase version.